The release of the One UI 7.0 beta update has been delayed, but it's reportedly coming soon, though the exact timing remains uncertain. If you're eager to experience Samsung's new One UI version, you'll be pleased to hear that some exciting details about its animations and transitions have been revealed. Tipster Ice Universe has shared descriptions of several animations and transitions in the latest beta version of One UI 7.0. For instance, when you turn on the phone's screen, a soothing wallpaper shrinking effect is visible. Upon unlocking the screen, a bouncing animation is shown. Additionally, when you pull down the quick panel, you'll notice a spring rebound animation. One UI 7.0 also introduces more non-linear floating animations when launching apps, and when you return from an app to the app drawer, a zoom effect is applied to the app icons. Parallel animation for continuous app opening, a smooth, synchronized effect when opening multiple apps one after the other. Full animation for sliding apps, a detailed animation for sliding an app sideways to return to the desktop. Press rebound micro animation, a press effect added to buttons in the settings, along with a new return animation for smoother transitions. Transition animations for widgets. New animations for widgets, such as the lock screen music widget, offering a fresh user experience. Elastic animations for notifications. A dynamic, elastic effect for real-time notifications in the desktop notification bar. These features are expected to evolve after the beta release, with adjustments and new animations added based on feedback from internal testers. Users are encouraged to share their thoughts and suggestions during that period. While it's possible that the interface will resemble the version seen in the major leak from a few weeks ago, changes are still likely. However, a recent leak indicates that the Live Activities UI component will likely retain the sleek design showcased in the initial leak. Two screenshots appear to confirm the modern aesthetic of the Live Activities UI, featuring elegant blur effects and gradient elements. These images are said to come from Ice Universe on Weibo, shared by @TechHulid. The development of Android 15 and One UI 7.0 for Galaxy smartphones is advancing rapidly, with the first Android 15 test firmware spotted for the Galaxy A53 on Samsung servers. However, this firmware is an internal test build and does not yet represent the public beta release, which is currently only available for the Galaxy S24 series as of November 18th. While other devices, including the A53, may be eligible for the One UI 7.0 beta, there's no certainty that the A53 will be included. One UI 7.0 promises to be a significant update, overhauling many aspects of the user interface on Galaxy devices. For the Galaxy A53, this marks its third major OS upgrade, and it will also receive Android 16 and One UI 8.0 in the future, ensuring continued support for years to come. At the 2024 Developer Conference on October 3rd, Samsung confirmed that the main theme and goal of One UI 7.0 is to evoke positive and emotional reactions from users during their interactions with the interface. To achieve this, Samsung designed One UI 7.0 with a focus on a simple and emotive design. The company highlighted three key principles that form the foundation of this new design approach. Simple, prioritizing purposeful simplicity throughout the UI. Impactful, establishing a distinctive signature for One UI. Emotive, incorporating elements such as a new blur engine that evoke positive emotions in users. The Galaxy A55, Samsung's most premium mid-range smartphone for 2024, has appeared on Geekbench running Android 15. This version of Android will mark the first of 4 major OS upgrades for the Galaxy A55. While One UI 7.0 is scheduled for an official release in 2025, Samsung has been testing the next major OS update for both mid-range and flagship devices for some time. A few months ago, both the Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A54 were spotted on Geekbench running Android 15, and now the latest model in the series has joined them. Several Galaxy A55 benchmark results with Android 15 have appeared on Geekbench as of November 16th, indicating that development of the update may have gained momentum recently. However, this doesn't imply a quick release, as One UI 7.0 won't be officially available until 2025. Earlier this week, the first public One UI 7.0 beta update for Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra owners was spotted on Samsung servers. signaling that the long wait for the One UI 7.0 beta program is finally coming to a close. The initial beta firmware was found for Galaxy S24 Ultra models sold in India and Europe. It has now been spotted via Taran VATS on Samsung servers in nearly all the markets where the beta program will be available. These markets include the US, UK, Germany, Poland, India, and Korea. Although there's no sign of it in China yet, it's expected to appear there soon. While Samsung had initially promised its release before the year's end, with the stable version arriving early next year, a new rumor surrounding the update may not be well received. Tipster Ice Universe has claimed that the One UI 7.0 beta won't roll out smoothly. The beta version, including the latest firmware build, ending in XKB, is reportedly plagued with bugs, particularly related to animations. Some issues, which weren't present in earlier internal beta versions, have emerged in the current internal build. According to the tipster, Samsung has fallen behind other companies in several software areas, which is contributing to the delays as they work to resolve these issues, according to some reports. While Samsung has yet to confirm an official release timeframe, it appears the company is well prepared to launch the One UI 7.0 beta program. The Samsung Members app, which is crucial for participating in any One UI beta program, is already set up for the One UI 7.0 Go beta. Tipster Taran VATS discovered that version 5.1.0.11 of the app includes hidden pages related to the sign-up and withdrawal processes for the One UI 7.0 beta program. This indicates that Samsung is close to opening the program. Rumors suggest the beta update could roll out as soon as November 17th, likely in South Korea and the USA, with other countries potentially following a few days later. While the One UI 6.1 and 6.101 updates introduced various Galaxy AI features, the One UI 7.0 update is likely to have fewer such additions. According to tipster at ChunVN888 on X, Samsung will reserve most of the new Galaxy AI features for the One UI 7.1 update. These include features like AI notification summary and AI emoji. The AI notification summary, which was leaked recently, may function similarly to iOS 18's summarized notification previews on iPhones and iPads. It is expected to compile a summary of notifications received from apps. The latest update to Auto Blocker for One UI 6.1.1, version 1.100.28, introduces several new features, with more on the horizon. The changelog reveals that additional security enhancements will activate once the upcoming One UI 7.0 update is released for Samsung Galaxy devices. In version 1.100.28, AutoBlocker strengthens security on One UI 6.1.1 devices by introducing a maximum restrictions mode. First introduced earlier this summer, this mode now includes even tighter controls, such as blocking actions from device admin apps and work profiles when it's enabled. Looking ahead, the changelog for AutoBlocker indicates that with One UI 7.0, maximum restrictions mode will receive 3 additional features: blocking USB connections, blocking 2G network access, preventing automatic reconnection to non-secure Wi-Fi networks. Excited for the One UI 7 beta? Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest Galaxy news and insights. See you in the next video.